This is the best chicken I ever had. Oh, this is incredible.
Buenos dias, mis amigas, the internet. It's 6 o'clock. I woke up at 5:30-ish. I'm preparing myself some coffee, some breakfast, and then we wait till we can leave. So here we are again with the reflecting map. I'm never really sure how to film this. Today with the daylight it's a little bit better. So here's Lima, then we go here, we follow all the way the road, we're now a little bit here inland. Then there's a little bit a road here inland to there. From there we go to there to Paracas. So it looks very tiny, but yeah, I mean that's what you do with a bicycle. So to give an idea, here's Lima, here is La Paz.
So we're 45 kilometers in, 11:15. It's 27 degrees. There's a cool wind from the ocean, so it's a little bit against me. Today we are flying.
Well, the sun is intense, but we made it to that short ride, perfectly smooth. We're flying on the Panamercan. Yeah, perfect day, but a bit too short. Should do more kilometers a day, because this is way too easy. Buenos dias, mis amigos the internet. Welcome by part 2 of this journey.
The more I go south, how greener it gets. Riding here next to the ocean, there's a very strong wind. Really struggling to ride in one straight lane.
Yeah, man, we fucking made it. You fight the wind, you fight the loose end. We're here, man. Wicked.